Hey guys, welcome back to Men's Power Hub. I'm your host name, and I'm a certified personal trainer. Now let's be honest fellas, sometimes we need a little boost in the bedroom, right? That's why today, we're diving into some powerful, all-natural homemade Viagra recipes that will unleash your inner lion. We're talking about ingredients you can find right in your kitchen that will have you feeling like a champ. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more amazing content designed to help you unleash your full potential. Alright gentlemen, let's kick things off with our first potent potion, the watermelon. This isn't just any fruit, it's a powerhouse of natural goodness and lemon combo. Now you might be thinking, watermelon, seriously? But trust me on this one, watermelon is like nature's Viagra. It's loaded with an amino acid called L-citrulline, which your body converts into L-arginine. This transformation is crucial for your overall health and vitality. And L-arginine? Well, that's a precursor to nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow, if you know what I mean. Think of it like this: wider pipes, better flow, and better flow is what we want, right? This improved circulation can have a multitude of benefits, from enhanced physical performance to better mental clarity. Now where does the lemon come in? Well, lemon isn't just for your tequila shots anymore. It's packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost nitric oxide production even further. Plus, it adds a refreshing zing to the mix. The combination of watermelon and lemon creates a synergy that not only tastes great but also maximizes the health benefits. To make this libido-boosting elixir, simply cube up some fresh watermelon and blend it until smooth. The process is simple and quick, ensuring you get the most out of the fruit's natural properties. Then, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, or even a whole one, if you're feeling adventurous. The lemon juice not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts the drink's effectiveness. Give it a good stir, pour it over ice, and enjoy. This refreshing drink is perfect for any time of the day, whether you need a morning pick-me-up or an afternoon refresher. You'll be roaring with energy in no time. This natural elixir not only boosts your energy levels but also enhances your overall well-being, making you feel more vibrant and alive. Next up, we're tapping into the power of antioxidants with a seductive blend of pomegranate juice and dark chocolate. Now who doesn't love a little indulgence? But this isn't just any ordinary treat, it's a recipe for passion. Pomegranates have been revered for their aphrodisiac properties since ancient times, and for good reason. They're bursting with antioxidants that help improve blood flow and increase nitric oxide levels, just like our friend the watermelon. And dark chocolate? Well, it's not just delicious, it's packed with flavonoids, another type of antioxidant that can further enhance blood flow and boost your mood. So how do you create this romantic concoction? It's simple. Grab a glass of 100% pomegranate juice, none of that sugary stuff, and break off a couple of squares of dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao. Sip on your juice and savor the rich, intense flavor of the dark chocolate. The combination of antioxidants and the sensual experience will have you feeling like a love god in no time. For our third recipe, we're going back to our roots with a time-tested remedy that's been used for centuries to ignite passion and boost stamina: ginger and honey. This dynamic duo has been revered in various cultures for its potent health benefits and its ability to enhance vitality. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels or add a little extra spark to your love life, this elixir is a must-try. Ginger, with its fiery kick, is a natural aphrodisiac that's been shown to increase blood flow and improve circulation. This root has been used in traditional medicine for its warming properties, which help to stimulate the body's internal systems. Improved circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your cells, enhancing your overall stamina and endurance. It does this by warming the body from the inside out. And let's be honest, a little heat never hurt anyone in the bedroom, right? The warmth from ginger not only soothes but also invigorates, making it a perfect ingredient for those cold nights when you need a little extra warmth and energy. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural energy booster and is packed with antioxidants that can help fight oxidative stress and improve overall health. This golden nectar has been used since ancient times not just for its sweetness but also for its medicinal properties. The antioxidants in honey help to protect your cells from damage, keeping you feeling youthful and vibrant. Together, ginger and honey create a potent elixir that can help you go the extra mile. This combination not only tastes delicious, but also provides a powerful boost to your immune system, helping you stay healthy and energized. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your daily routine and support your overall well-being. To make this ancient love potion, simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger and add it to a cup of hot water. Fresh ginger is key here as it contains the most potent compounds that contribute to its health benefits. The process of grating releases the essential oils and active ingredients, ensuring you get the maximum benefit from this powerful root. Let it steep for a few minutes to release its potent properties. The steeping time allows the ginger to infuse the water with its beneficial compounds, creating a warming and invigorating tea. Be patient and let the magic happen. The longer it steeps, the more flavorful and potent your tea will be. Then stir in a teaspoon or two of raw honey for sweetness and an extra boost of energy. Raw honey is preferable because it retains more of its natural enzymes and nutrients, which are often lost during processing. This not only sweetens your tea but also adds an extra layer of health benefits, making your elixir even more powerful. Sip on this invigorating drink before your romantic rendezvous and you'll be amazed at the results. Not only will you feel more energized and alert, but you'll also enjoy the soothing and warming effects of this ancient remedy. It's a perfect way to prepare for a special evening, ensuring you feel your best and ready to impress. Last but not least, we have a recipe that's perfect for those who want to fuel their fire with a delicious and nutritious treat: the banana, almond, and milk smoothie. This smoothie is not just a tasty delight but also a nutritional powerhouse that can give you the energy boost you need to tackle your day or night with vigor. This isn't just any ordinary smoothie, it's a powerhouse of nutrients designed to boost your energy levels, enhance your stamina, and improve your overall performance. Whether you're gearing up for a workout, preparing for a big meeting, or just need a pick-me-up, this smoothie has got you covered. Bananas are a great source of potassium, an electrolyte that's essential for muscle function and energy production. They help in maintaining proper muscle contractions and nerve function, ensuring that your body operates at its peak. They're also rich in vitamin B6, which plays a crucial role in hormone regulation. This vitamin helps in the production of serotonin and dopamine, which are essential for mood regulation and overall well-being. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, providing sustained energy that will keep you going all night long. These nutrients work together to keep your blood sugar levels stable, preventing energy crashes, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. And milk? Well, it's a good source of calcium and vitamin D, both of which are important for maintaining bone health and muscle function. Calcium is crucial for strong bones and teeth, while vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium more effectively. To make this performance-enhancing smoothie, simply toss a banana, a handful of almonds, and a cup of your favorite milk into a blender. You can also add a scoop of protein powder or a dash of honey for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. Blend until smooth and creamy, and enjoy. The result is a delicious, creamy smoothie that's perfect for any time of the day. It's the perfect pre-workout or pre-date snack to fuel your fire and unleash your inner beast. So next time you need a quick and nutritious energy boost, remember this simple yet powerful smoothie recipe. So there you have it, gentlemen, 4 powerful homemade Viagra recipes that will have you feeling like a new man in the bedroom. Remember, these recipes are all about using natural ingredients to enhance your performance and boost your confidence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Men's Power Hub for more tips and tricks to help you unleash your full potential. And while you're at it, leave a comment below and let me know which recipe you're most excited to try. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.